QiGong Industrial Group was founded in 2004. It mainly manages the access control system. The software systems include smart parking, smart parks, smart scenic area, and smart military camp management systems. The hardware systems include license plate recognition barrier gates, face recognition passage gates, access control doors, RFID equipment, lifting columns, road blockers, security inspection gates, sliding gate, mobile guard booths and related products. It has 12 holding subsidiaries, 350 employees and 2,000 technicians worldwide. The average growth rate in the past 3 years is 25.7%. The cumulative R&D investment in the past 3 years is 23.25 million. Products available in 83 countries, serving over 510,000 customers. Cumulative delivery of 30,000 projects in the past 3 years. Benchmark cases include the smart parking system of Guangdong Textile City. Daily traffic 8,000 vehicles with smooth flow. Guangzhou-listed company Jinhui Liquor's smart park management platform. Guangzhou Hairenhai Park's smart ticketing system. 127 face recognition gate systems for Iraq University. QiGong Group holds 252 product patents, including 28 invention patents, 3 software invention patents, 15 software copyrights, 81 utility model patents on 4 engines. Has been successively recognized as a national high-tech enterprise. Guangdong Specialized, Special and New Enterprise. Listed company on the New Force Board. Portion industry segment leader. Model Enterprise of Advanced Manufacturing Excellence. Military Civilian Collaborative Innovation Excellence Enterprise. 4-time recipient of China's Contract Integrity Excellence Award. Moving forward, QiGong Group will continue upholding its operational philosophy of high technology, high quality, and high efficiency, creating value for customers, creating opportunities for employees, giving back to the community,